Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're back again on our Builderall directories, and on this video we're going to be talking about settings and repositories. So to start this video off, we're going to talk about settings, as we're right here, and here is where you can select your ad types and also your payments, so the frequency, currencies, price tables, and link your PayPal. First we have ad types. My ad types over here are the simple ads option and top of page ads. These are the two options that I created, which are basically the two that we have. You can create a simple one and a spotlight one. You can just name your ads to whatever name you would like. I just prefer this just because I know which one is which. But yeah, you select a name, so test ads, and I would select simple or spotlight, and I would save it. And it would save into my ad types. Next we have payments. That is the frequency. Frequency is a little complicated. I'll explain why in a second, just because, for example, you would do a yearly frequency, and your units would be month because it doesn't have to be year, and your cycles could be 12. So that would be yearly, just because it would repeat every month. Oh, sorry about that. It would repeat every month during 12 months. So that would be yearly. And then after that, the client would have to renew his contract or whatever the case may be. If I wanted to do yearly for 4 years, I would put 4, and every year this guy would get billed for 4 years straight. And the same thing as weekly and daily. It's just it will repeat as many of the cycles that you put and the unit as well. So here we'll do once a month every 4 months. But yeah, this is pretty much it for the frequency. Over here I have a 6 month, and I put months and 6. So every month he will get billed for 6 months straight. And over here yearly, he would get billed for 1 year every year. Next up we have currencies. This is pretty self-explanatory. It's just currencies. What currencies do you want to use? If you want to use dollar, you can put dollar over here and select the code, which is going to be all the way down there, US dollar. And then you just save it. Pretty simple. So I'm going to delete this one because I don't need it. But yeah, if you need anything else, you can choose from all these different ones over here that we have. And that is it for currencies. Price tables. To create a price table, you need to create your currencies, frequency, and ad types. So you can't just skip to price tables. You guys are going to see what I mean in just a second. So to create a price table, you need to set a name. So I'll put first price. Now select my ad type. It's going to be the simple ads that I already put. Frequency, I'm going to select my 6-month contract. Currency is going to be dollar, and the value is going to be $40, for example, per 6 months. So I would save it, and my pricing would be right here. I could do this over and over and over until I'm satisfied with how many prices I get, but you guys get the idea. Last thing that we're going to talk about is PayPal. Over here is where you're going to link your PayPal to your account so you can get paid, of course. Here you will need to put your email, your client ID, and your secret. To get your client ID and your secret, you just need to click on this link over here and it will take you to PayPal, just like I did. And you just gotta log in and follow the steps as it says over here. You gotta log in, go to apps and credentials, click on create app, and then you're gonna get your client ID and your secret. If you have a personal account, it will not let you get your secret. You would have to have a business account. And to transform your personal account into a business account is pretty simple. You can also look that up on the PayPal tutorials. But once you're done and it's not a sandbox mode, you can unselect this and click save. Mine is a sandbox mode, so I'm just going to save it with the sandbox mode on, and it will save to you. And your settings will be all set. And next thing that we're going to talk about are your repositories. So we're going to come over here. And your repositories are pretty much your storage location. So it's where you're going to have all your images and also files. If you have any files, you can add them right over here by importing, and as well as your images. You can import or drag and drop them through here. Pretty self-explanatory. This is going to be for all the images that you need on your website. If you need any images, you will need to upload them through here. So just keep that in mind, as well as your files. I don't have any files right now, but if I wanted to import one, for example, a PDF file that I have, I could just come over here, select this PDF file, and import it to my repositories. And once it is here, I need to click on this cloud button again to upload it. So right there, and then it will be imported into my files manager. Pretty simple tab. You can just upload images and also files. If you guys want to know more about customers, ads, settings, categories, and subcategories of places, you guys can check our other tutorials. But this is going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.